Hello guys, welcome to Learn with Venky. Today we'll see how to create this 3D model in CATIA V5 easily. So you can see we have a top view and a front view. From this we'll create this 3D model. So let's move on to CATIA and we'll start this. Click on the start button, then click on mechanical design and part design. If you want you can name or you can give the random name. First you select the front plane and position sketch and draw the C-section first, which is having a length around 55 and width around 34 and 6 thickness. So I will draw a C-section like this, like this. Now our C-section is completed, but we have to give the dimensions for this. This should be 6 Again, this should be 6 This should be 6 Now we will give dimensions for this C-section. This would be 34 and again from here to here it is 55. So now we have completed the C-section, but this section is at random area. We have to constrain this in particular area. So from here to here it would be 55 by 2. So it will come exactly at middle. From here to here it will be 34 by 2. So after giving this dimension, my sketch turned to green color. So it represents sketch is fully constrained. So now exit from here. I will select this pad option. I will check this mirror extent and I will do 25. So it will extrude both side 25. So the final I will get 50 extrude. So now I will click on OK. Then again I will select this front view and again I will draw this circular portions. This one. First I will draw like this. I will give some gap like this and I will revolve this one. Again this one. So we'll do that operation now. So I will select line option. I will draw a vertical line like this. I will give dimension from here to here. It would be exactly at 50. You can see here it is exactly at 50. Now I will draw this portion like this. A line like this. Then again a line like this. Again a line like this. And finally like this. Now again I will draw in the bottom. So now I have drawn these two, but with random dimensions. So now I will give dimensions first. First give dimensions for smaller value. You can see this is 3 This can be done by whole operation, but we are giving using revolve because to reduce the time. So this is 3, as well as give for this also. This is also 3. And the distance from here to here it would be 16. Distance from here to here it is the diameter of this hole is 10, but it is half, so it would be 5. From here to here it would be 12.5 by 2. And directly give like this. Then from here to here it would be 20 by 2. So you may understand this by giving exactly at middle. because we will revolve this one. With respect to this is also changing because we have given constraint to this. So now we'll give dimension for this from here to here it is 21. You can see 21 here, 21. Now everything is done, but why it is not showing in green color? We have missed this dimension. We'll give now from here to here this 10. You can see here from here to here it is 10. Then from here to this top line it is 53. Now you can see our sketch is now fully constrained. Now we can revolve this one. Exit from here. If you select revolve and you are trying to do this, and select the shaft and you are trying to do this, you select the all sketches. So you cannot do this. You have to go in selection, right click, and go to profile definition. You have to select this curve. Then again select this curve. Then press on OK. Now in axis, you should select this one. Now you can see we are getting shaft. Now you can hide the sketches. Now we have created circular faces, but we have to create this flange. This flange. For that, you can see from top view, have a two tangent lines and a curve like this joined with the C-section. We will create this one from the top view. You have to select this view. Then you have to click on this position sketch on the surface, because you can see this flange is on the surface, like exactly coincident with the surface. So now we will draw two lines like this, and select this point as well as this vertex. Make these two as coincident. Again this also. Now project this circular face so that we can give tangency and we can trim this one. Make this to as tangency and this one also. Now these lines are extra. You have to trim this one. You have to select this trim option, double click, so that I can access this one multiple times. So I have trimmed these two lines as well as this circular one. Lastly, I will select this edge and I will project this one, so that my sketch is fully closed now. So I am exit from here. So you can see the sketch is exactly coincide with C-section. So now we can extrude this one. Select the pad option and make this as reverse and give 6 mm thickness like this. So now we need the same thing here, the middle of this circular face. For that, I don't create a new sketch. I will create a plane with reference of the surface, which is exactly at middle. The whole thing is 16. Middle means 8. Reverse 8. So now I will select this sketch, and I will paste this sketch on this, and I will extrude this one. So now, or else I will select this plane and I will project this sketch. I will select this plane. I will select this plane and I will give position sketch, and I will select this project, this 3D element, double click, and I will select the sketches, all the sketches. So now we have to double click on this one. So now I will select this one, and this one you can see one by one it is coming. So this one. So it is single step process. So now I have projected this one. I have to exit from here. Our sketch also completed. Now we need to extrude pad, but here we need in both direction. So this would be all extrude dimension is 6, but we need in both sides it would be 3. So now you can see we got the flanges. So now lastly we left with the ribs. So now we will create the ribs. For that I will select this plane, front plane. I will select line and I will draw like this. We'll make these two as coincident. And this is also little near to this, not coincident, like this. And again this line. Now we have drawn two lines. We'll exit from here. I will select this inside the solid combine. There is a stiffener option. We'll select. I will again right click here and go to profile definition. And I will select this line and I will add this one. Okay. Now I will give dimension for this, which is 3 mm neutral fiber. 3 mm. You can see we got a rib with 3 mm thickness. Okay. Then again you have to select this stiffener. Again select this one. So you can see the pop-up error has popped. For that you have to right click, go to profile definition, and you have to select the line again and add and give 3 same. So now we got the ribs in both sides. Lastly, we need a rib exactly like this. You can see a rib exactly like this. So now I'll select spline. We'll draw something like this. Adjust this one like this. Distance from here to here, it would be 1.5. You can see in the diagram. From here to here also, same 1.5. Okay. Then from here to here, it would be 19. So now, make this as still backside. So now we can give the rib for this. So now select the rib option again. Maybe stiffener. Select this one. See, it is showing some pop error. Forget about this. Just make this as in reverse direction, and you have to do your job. So now again 3. Okay. So any time if you are encounter with any error, don't feel you did a mistake. Just try to solve that and read that. So now we are all done with this. Lastly, we will give some color to this graphic and make this as something maybe this color. Now hide all the planes. And now you can check with this views. And we have forgot about these holes. We'll draw these holes. These holes are like this, 34 far from each other and 10 Select the hole option, position sketch. From here to here it would be 34 by 2, 17. 17 minus 25. So 17 minus 25 is the distance from here to here. 17, 25 minus 17. Then from here to here it would be 10. So now exit from here, and diameter of this hole is 8 8 Okay, the hole has been created. Now we need this hole exactly in this direction. So I will use this plane and I will mirror this one. So now I will select this hole and this mirror option here. Select this plane. You can see the hole has been mirrored in this direction. So now we need the same holes in this side too. For that again, I will select the hole option on this and position sketch like this. Again, I will give the same dimensions. Here to here it would be 25 minus 17. And here to here it would be 10. 10. Is it from here? 8. Fine. Again, mirror this one. Hole. Mirror this side. Now we have created the holes. We'll see we left with anything or not. So you can see there is another small hole here, exactly at middle. So we need to create this also, 70 from here. It is exactly at middle, but 17 from here. So it is on the bottom part. So select this one, space, position sketch, exactly middle from here to here. Middle means maybe 50 by 2, 25. Exactly at middle. Now from here to here, which is 17. Okay. Exit from here. The dimension is same for both. The diameter is same. So now hole has been created. Now we are all done with this. Don't like this color, I will change it to something more colors, something this one. Apply. Okay. So now we'll check that the views are coming or not. So this is the front view. Okay, fine. This is the front view. Okay, fine, coming same. You can see. And the top view. This one. You can see. Top view. And finally, the isometric view. So this is how you can create. If you want, you can give the radius. May vary to person. Someone want 5 someone want 3 If you want, you can give the radius. Just select this edge billet and you can give the radius for all. So this is how we can create this 3D model easily in CATIA V5. So thank you. That's all for today.